In this video, I will show you how you can change the wallpaper of your iPad 11A16. Now to do that, first of all, just tap and hold on the empty space on your home screen, and once the app starts vibrating, you will find the edit option at the upper left corner on the screen. Just tap on it, and from this pop-up menu, just select Edit Wallpaper. And from here, you can change the wallpaper of your iPad. As you can see, the first option is Pair, and in this mode, you will pair the home screen wallpaper of your iPad with the wallpaper which was set on the lock screen. But you also have the option to set a custom color on the home screen. You can set any color from here. You can change the intensity of the color. Also, you can set a gradient from here. You can change the color intensity from here. But if you want to set a custom photo as the wallpaper of your home screen, then just tap on Photo over here. And in the Photos app, just select the photo which you want to set as the wallpaper of your iPad. For example, I will select this photo. Now just adjust the photo however you want on the home screen. And if you want to set a filter on the photo, just swipe to the right or to the left side and set a filter which you prefer. For example, I will select this filter, then just tap on Done. Now if you want to blur the wallpaper which you have set, you have the option for blur, but I will keep it unblurred. Then select Done, and by doing that, you will change the wallpaper of your iPad. Now if you want to change the wallpaper of your home screen and if you want to pair it with the lock screen, then for that, just open the notifications panel on your iPad, then tap and hold on the empty space in the notifications panel. Then tap on the plus icon over here. As you can see, you can select any of the featured wallpapers over here, but for now, I will select Photos. Now in the Photos app, just select the wallpaper which you want to set. For example, I will select this wallpaper. Now, as I have shown you earlier, you can apply any filter which you prefer. For example, I will select this filter. And once you're satisfied with your wallpaper, then just select Add. And over here, just tap on Set as Wallpaper Pair. Then just select the wallpaper which we have created. And as you can see, we have set the same wallpaper on the home screen and on the lock screen. Just like that. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.